brilliant friends! Today we're learning the bold and bouncy letter. B. This is the letter B. B says per bee like a little bubble. Pop in. B is for ball. Bounce, bounce. B is for banana. Peel and munch. B is for bee. Buzz, buzz. B is for bear. Big and cuddly. Let's practice the B sound together. When you see the picture, say per bee. B. Let's write the letter B. Start at the top. Straight line down. Big bump. Little bump. Great job. Now lowercase b. Straight line down. And one round bump. Brilliant. Yes. Ball and banana start with B. You did a brilliant job learning the letter B today. B says B. See you next time for more alphabet fun.